What's up guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Joop from the Clips, aka Macaroni with the Cheese. Every day I make YouTube videos about cryptos and stocks. So if you like these subjects, hit the subscribe button and drop these likes if you like the video. With that being said, let's get it started. For the Bitcoin price, we're at $47,300 and man, it's been very hard for Bitcoin to get over the 50,000. So what you have in front of you is the weekly time frame. I used to do my technical analysis on the daily time frame, but I've managed to go more in depth, so zoom out. So I'm on the weekly. So I put it back on the daily. So what you see in front of you is the Bitcoin time frame, and those lines are the EMAs, the expansional moving averages. And what you have seen is that Bitcoin is basically trading under those lines. These lines are very important lines, and it's not very a good sign for Bitcoin. So for the other lines, this one are the simply moving averages, and it's the same story. Bitcoin is trading under these levels. So if we zoom out a little bit, and I'm gonna put it on a daily, you can see that Bitcoin is not even trading on the daily moving average. So even on the 350 moving average, see that Bitcoin is trading under the 350-day moving average, and these are very good indicators to know what Bitcoin is gonna do. So I've been using these indicators just to give me an all-around view of what Bitcoin is gonna do. Keep in mind, we don't have a glass ball, so we just basically all just trying to do our due diligence and find out what Bitcoin is gonna do, what is the next move. But to be honest, we all don't know. We're just doing something, so bear with me. So for the Bitcoin dominance, we see that it's still not above the 50% range, so I'm still bearish. But I have a lot of subjects that I want to share with you guys. So for Bitcoin and what it does with the overall market is that a few coins are still going up, even though Bitcoin is going down. And these are my favorite ones, our crypto bubbles. CIS is plus 11%, Gordo is 10% plus, Dusk 8%, Booba, a layer 2 solution, minus 9%. What I want to share with you guys is the Google Trends. This is a good indicator that I use to know what the overall market, and to be more specific, what retail is doing. Because yeah, this is a good indicator for when people are basically searching the Google Trends and are wondering what Bitcoin is gonna do. So what I have seen in the past few years is that at this date in 2017, people were searching a lot of Bitcoin, and it has a lot of search possibilities here, around 100. So then we go back in May this year, we see that when Bitcoin had an all-time high, and that was around, let me see, that was around this period, April, May. It was around this period when Bitcoin had an all-time high of 64,000, is when you see that people were searching for a lot of confirmation of what Bitcoin is gonna do. And all those people thought that Bitcoin was going up. So when people are searching for Bitcoin, so the average people, that's the moment for you to sell, because a lot of big whales are gonna dump the price, and that's what they did here in 2017, but they also did this year, 2021, in the period of May. So I always use Bitcoin as a good indicator of what I should do. And if you have seen my previous videos, then you also know that I pretty much make use of this website, lookintobitcoin.com, where it's basically explaining where the top is and the bottom, and where you can buy Bitcoin at the average low price. So this here, if it's reached this red box, that means we overbought, and when it's reached this green box, we basically are oversold. yeah, so here you can buy Bitcoin at cheaper price and upsell. What you can see in front of you is that for this year we did not mention to go in this red zone, so that means there was no new all-time high, so we had to do it to the previous all-time high we had at 64,000 and the 63,000. That's basically it. So I do think in 2022 we can see a new Bitcoin all-time high. So I've been following this guy Alex Kruger, and he's been analyzing what Bitcoin do in the first week of every year. So what he's saying, in 2028 Bitcoin had a plus 80% in the first week, in 2029 plus 7, in 2020 plus 30%, and in 2021 plus 36%. So that's basically the same thing that I'm predicting, because I think that Bitcoin could go up, and then we could reach maybe back to 53, back to 54 in the first week of January, because a lot of new money is floating in, and then we basically go down. So this is my prediction. I will keep it like this just to show you guys what I'm basically predicting. So Alex Kruger on Twitter is what he's been telling. Bears killed Santa, but have you heard of the wise man? And the wise man is buying crypto after New Year's Eve. So what we have seen this year is that a lot of money went into gaming and metaverse and NFT. There basically were two big narratives that pumped a lot of money in Ethereum. So the number one gaming was Axie Infinity, where people could play with their phones and basically make money. A lot of people even quit their jobs to make money on the phone with this game, Axie Infinity. And I don't want to get further into it, but yeah, it was pretty much a big development for people. A lot of people in the Asia countries like Philippines, they basically quit their jobs and made money with this game, and I'm pretty happy for those people. So to get back to what I was saying, is that the gaming industry is going to be a big one. And also with the NFTs, people can basically own their characters, they basically can own their skin, everything. So there's a lot of uptrend potential for these NFTs and gaming. So these are the few examples. One that I'm very focused on is Illuvium. I like this game a lot, but it's not out yet, so we still gotta wait when it's coming out in 2022. Okay, so then we go to the NFTs. The NFTs was also a big change in our lives, and we talking about the punks, we talking about the bored apes, we talking about the whole thing, man. People were making money. So let me go to OpenSea. Let me go to the stats, ranking. So NFT brought a lot of new money in the Ethereum, in the crypto space. So yeah, we're talking about the crypto punks, the bored ape yacht clubs, the Fidenza, even the sandbox metaverse. People are buying land. So this basically what made a big utility, and was a lot of money to make in Ethereum and the NFT space. So these are the top 5, top 10 NFT project that did very good this year. So in 2022, we're basically going to see a lot of more money is coming in the NFT space. So what you have seen is, you have to realize that the NFT space is still very small fraction in this whole crypto space. So there's a lot of more money to come in and to float in this NFT. And with the whole Web3 ownership and decentralization, is gonna be massive. I'm very highly invested in this NFT narrative, and I do believe in their decentralization, transparency, and ownership. And also one that we do not have to forget is decentralized finance. So it all began in 2017, and we're here up to July of 2021. We reached amount of $111 billion in DeFi, in the total value locked. So that's pretty much big progress, and you have to figure out in which asset it was: lending, decentralized exchanges, derivatives, and payments assets. So it's pretty big. So you all know, if you follow my channel, I'm pretty much invested in METIS. METIS been doing good lately, and they reached an all-time high of 236, 240. So yeah, it's doing pretty good. A layer 2 I want to share with you guys. And one coin that I also shared in my previous video is Clayfish. It's not doing pretty well, so I have to be honest about that. So let's see what it's gonna do in the next few weeks. Is it still gonna be a good project? Does it gonna have a reversal, or it's pretty much dead? We have to continue and see what it's gonna do, give it more momentum, what it's gonna do for the next few weeks. So yeah, that's basically what I want to share with you guys. It was not a long video, but a short one. So 2022 gonna bring us a lot of money, new developments, a lot of decentralization, a lot of ownership, a lot of new NFTs. People are getting more and more into crypto. Businesses, we had Nike and we had Adidas. They have bought their own ape. So I hope if you're not into crypto, go do your due diligence and start today. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you like my videos, and drop a like and subscribe. And before I forget, I also have a Discord group where I'm sharing my information with a lot of people. So if you would like to share if you'd like to have more information about crypto, NFT space, DeFi, everything, just hit me up in my Discord group. There's a link in the subscription. And I will see you in my Discord group. I will also try to be more active in the Discord group, because I was not active in the Discord group, but I'm trying to get more active in the Discord group. Now we see that Bitcoin is doing great. A lot of corporate business are incorporating with Bitcoin crypto. So I'm very, very bullish on the long term. So with that being said, hit me on my socials, Joop from the Clips, and I will see you guys in the next video.